Hi and welcome to the Music Production Handbook. So in this next video about preparing for a mix, I'm going to talk about top and tailing. So top and tailing is where you need to start looking at the audio and getting rid of any parts that are providing any extraneous noise that will affect your approach to the mix. So this could be sonic faults, pops, clicks, coughs, splutters, you name it, those sorts of things. It could also be, if we look at toms, and you might find that, for example, here you can see there are tom hits there, but also the mics are picking up the rest of the kit, and they will have a sympathetic resonance as well, which may affect sort of EQ decisions, and so those are things that need to be dealt with. If I press play at the beginning, we can have a listen, and you'll sort of hear the sort of things that we need to get rid of. So just in that short example there, you can hear the guitar buzzing, you've got the hi-hat count, you've got people's feet shuffling, probably from the singer. So there's different ways of getting rid of that very quickly. We can look at selecting all the drums, for example, here. And if I get in close, so I can see what I'm doing, I've highlighted it. I could group these as well, but that's another thing at another time. And I could just maybe bring up the audio and trim the audio regions or clips, depending on which DAW you use. But I could then take it up to the point of where the actual first kick drum happens. So we set that up. That's one method. Alternatively, you could also use the scissors tool. So you can take that up, and I can actually take it right up against the WAV there. Obviously, I could go in closer, but for demonstratory purposes, we will just do it as close as. And I can then get rid of any of this background noise located here. So now I've got a cleaner drum track. And then you'd continue the process on for the rest of the instruments, so that you get rid of all of the background noises, and it will give you the best start for a mix. So there you go. There's another short, simple tip. Please subscribe to the YouTube, and also follow on Facebook. You can find that on the Music Production Handbook, and there'll be where you can find more tips, tricks, and other things as well. Cheers.